Okay, hello everybody and welcome to my channel again. Today it's another Barbie video. It's been lots of Barbie videos lately, but okay. Today I went to the dollar store and I did a Barbie haul. They had lots of Barbie stuff, and I got this one. It's my first Barbie. It's like the big version of Barbie dolls, and I will do another video unboxing this one and giving it a review. So, but let's see what the other stuff were. Okay, and this one was really beautiful. I think it's a brush set, makeup brush set. Sorry for my English, is not very good always, but it has a magnetic holder, and it feels like it's a good quality brush set. And this one is not a Barbie, but it's just a brush, so it's not a big deal. But I needed a new brush, so and this one. It's also the same sense. It's a vegan brand, and they had this Shine Bright Barbie eyeshadow palette, and I found it kind of neat. So it's really like 80s Barbie themed makeup. I don't know if it's I don't know if it's a good brand or not, but the palette, it's a pretty palette, and it was vegan, so I got it. And a perfume. I really love the bottle. It's a warm vanilla scent, and it's quite a strong vanilla scent. I tried it in the store, and it's quite a strong vanilla scent. And oh my god, I think it leaked here a little bit, so let's unbox it maybe. And I got a mirror, and it's not a Barbie brand, as you see, but it was very cute. And you have to assemble it yourself, and now you can see my whole room here, my mess. But okay, it's very cute, and I will remove it because I don't want to be on video at this time, so I will remove it from the table. Okay, so I'll start with this one. I'll get a scissors maybe. Okay, so I'm back with the scissors. And I really like the bottle. So, oh my god, it leaked everywhere, look. Oh my, that's no good. Hope it's not, look, oh my, that's not good at all. No. I don't really know what happened here, but look, that's why it smells vanilla everywhere. It might have happened in the car. Look, oh no. Well, okay. That was a bit upsetting. I don't know why really that happened, but it could have been me. Maybe I did something Well, it's a nice vanilla scent, but the bottle is beautiful. I think that someone could have maybe opened it in the store and I just missed it because I took the one that was like in the front, and so, but well, it's a lot left, and it's very strong, so I won't use it so much. So well, it's a pretty gift set for maybe someone who likes vanilla. This okay, let's see this one then. Let's see. How is this package? Okay. Well, it's oh, it's magnetic here. Look, and then you can put the brushes like this. Wow, that's cool. Like a knife stand or something. Whoa, look. Ah, no. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay. This one, it was kind of cool. I like this one. And the brushes, they feel very, very soft. Very soft. And the colors are beautiful. So, and that makes maybe a good Christmas gift for someone who likes Barbie and makeup. And let's see this one. No. Okay, I will try some of the colors. I already am wearing makeup, so I wouldn't. But it's very see-through, you know. It's very discreet. Not much pigment, or what it's called in English. Look like a big bruise. So maybe it's like more like a color highlighter stuff, but it's it will work for that, like for like a color highlight. But it's not very like a. You can tell it's not a luxury brand if I say it like that, but still. Well, it's a very cute palette, and I'm sure it's for someone who likes Barbie and likes colors. I'm not sure I will use it much, but maybe I can give it as a present to some young person who wants to try. Well, that was what I got today. Well, and I will open the doll another time, not right now. So thank you so much for watching these shopping things. So I feel like I'm not overwhelmed. I was happy with the stuff before I opened them, but oh, well, whatever. They weren't too pricey, so it's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.